girls. Today we are coming at you from my living room. The dog and cat are over there fighting right now. We are going to try a quick little science experiment. The reason that I want to do a science experiment with you is because in the art room, a lot of times what we do in art is like science. You ask me questions. What happens if I mix these together? What happens if I glue this to this? I don't know. Try it and find out. So today we're going to try a little experiment. We're going to make a lava lamp. And in the art room, I have a ton of lava lamps. And you guys really like my lava lamp. So I thought that today would be a good day to try it out and see if we can make our own lava lamp. I saw this online. I'm hoping it works. So here we go. First thing we need is a glass. Okay, we need a wine glass. I don't know why in the videos they showed a wine glass. I did try this another way with a regular glass and that works too, but I'm going to try it with a wine glass today. We need vegetable oil. So you can use any oil. I have vegetable oil. I'm going to pour my vegetable oil in the cup. And they had a larger wine glass than me. They used about a half a cup. See, there's the dog. About a half a cup to a cup. And I am not using that much because my wine glass is a little bit smaller. I'm using what I got here. And then you're going to just pour water. I've got my handy dandy Dragon Ball Z glass here, and I'm going to pour water on the top of this. They did about this much water, whatever that means. Stick some water in there. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to dump my water in. Now, what we know about water and oil is that they separate. So in the classroom, we've got those shakers, and one is blue and one is red, and you shake it and it makes purple. And that's super cool. Once you let it sit, it separates. So you can see here that my oil is up top and my water is now down below, and the water is below, I think, because it's heavier. That's my scientific guess. Okay, next we need, let me grab everything. We need food coloring. Now in the videos I have seen, they have used one color, but I was curious, like, what happens if we try more than one color? Because I like to experiment. So I'm gonna try a few drops of blue and a few drops of red. I did this experiment before, and what I found out was if you add too much blue, it turns like black. It's super dark. So I'm only gonna add maybe 3 drops of red. Look at, I'll hold them up and show you. And maybe 1 drop of blue. Now in the videos I've seen, they've added a lot more drops. Try it. I don't know what's gonna happen. That's what a science experiment is all about. Look, you can see those drops sitting on top of the oil. They're not down into the water. Pretty cool. It's almost lava lampy already. They're just sitting there. Woo-hoo-hoo. It's like the ocean. And they will start to fall down in there. And then we need some Alka-Seltzer. So Alka-Seltzer are little tabs for mommy and daddy's hurt bellies. They do make Alka-Seltzer cold and flu that comes in like a powder. Don't use it. I tried. It did not work. So you actually need these little tabs. Oh, look there. My color is falling down into the bottom. My red is headed toward the bottom. So in the video that I've seen, they show just dropping the tab into the water. Now, you could plunk it in there. I don't know why they gently placed it. I'm just doing what they did. So let's see what happens. This is so exciting. Okay, this is supposed to look like a lava lamp. So let's see if this actually happens. This is like the fun and exciting part. Let's move everything out of the way. Okay, so I'm gonna try to focus it. Oh, there goes my blue down into the water. I'm gonna drop it in gently through the oil. Oh my gosh, right away. It's all ready. Look at those big bubbles. Oh my gosh, guys. Look. So it's like a little lava lamp. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Look at those bubbles. I can feel the bubbles popping out of the glass because I have it so full. Oh, that is awesome. I love it so much. It's so much fun. So I want you to try. What happens if you mix all the colors together. Are you going to get brown? What happens if you add a lot of drops? Is it going to turn black? What happens if you add more than 1 tab of Alka-Seltzer? And what I do know is this will settle and it will stop bubbling. If you let it sit and you want it to bubble again, add another tab. Try it again. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. I want you to try it at home and let me know what happens when you do it. Bye.